Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this insane Pojav iOS. So this is the app that lets you play Java Minecraft on your phone, guys. So it's not really associated with iOS devices, but today I'm going to show you guys how to get PojavLauncher on iOS. All the settings are here, as you can see, and all of the different profiles for different versions are available. So you can play all of these different versions, as you can see, guys. So it is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it for your device. So let's get into the tutorial right away. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is navigate to our browser. And in the browser, we're going to type tweakmod.com. So on this site, guys, what we're going to do is put PojavLauncher, bro. Pojav. So here it is. Press install. Before it downloads, there is going to be a verification step. So what this is you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% free from the official App Store, and then you will get PojavLauncher on your iPhone, guys. That is how simple it is. It's super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So yeah, I don't really know why anyone would fight back against this, because it actually is great. But there are people that say, oh, there's no way you can install Pojav on iOS. And I want to let you know that they are lying. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So you just want to download 2 of these apps. For instance, like Scanner app or Underdog says download and run for 30 seconds. Then we have the Family Island, which says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. So just make sure you do a couple of these. I'll see you later, but that's how to get Pojav for iOS devices.